to all of humanity. In this moment, amidst the storm of conflict and division, let us pause, not to retreat, but to remember. To remember that every heart beats the same rhythm beneath the armor of language, flag, skin, and creed. To remember that no child chooses their homeland, no soul selects their skin tone, and no spirit is born with hatred. Gratitude as a weapon of peace. When the world grows loud with fear, let gratitude be your quiet rebellion. Gratitude for the breath that fills your lungs. Gratitude for the hands that have held yours. Gratitude for the stranger on the other side of the world who also loves, also dreams, also bleeds. Gratitude makes enemies harder to create. Love without borders. Love is not weak, it is the strongest force we have, stronger than steel, stronger than missiles, stronger than hate. Love those you've never met. Love those told to be your enemy. Love the courage in yourself that dares to hope when it's easier to harden. To the leaders, may your wisdom be louder than your pride. May your decisions serve children's futures, not your own legacy. And may your eyes see humanity before strategy. To every human being, you are not powerless. Every act of kindness is a vote for peace. Every time you listen without judgment, offer shelter, speak truth, hold grief, you remind the world who we really are. One species, one story, one fragile, beautiful home. Let that truth be the flag we all salute.